Wanted to record this quick video about the Beretta A300 Ultima Patrol. The Multicam version apparently hasn't been coming with the hook and loop backing for shotgun shell cards like I forget if the brand of this is S-Tac, but it's like one of the only ones you can find that seems to have a multicam webbing. So, and then I read that it seemed like the reason that they weren't sending the velcro backing was because the adhesive would not stick to the Cerakote job on the multicam version. So what I did was I ordered, first I ordered this, and it was taking a long time to arrive. Like, the whole project was held up by this. So then I went ahead and ordered more, because recently on Amazon I'd found that if the order was delayed, it was possibly coming from China and was never going to arrive. So I ordered some more from the US, but it arrived the day after the one that was delayed finally arrived. So I wound up using this. So what I did was I took a piece of paper and then I just rubbed my finger along the edges of this panel of the receiver to get the like an indentation, and then I traced it with a pen, cut it out, and then I used that as the pattern to cut out this backing from the Multicam velcro backing. Then I used crazy glue, but first I used some fine grit sandpaper, fairly fine grit, and rubbed the entire Cerakote finish here. Not so much that I got any bare metal, but just enough that it sloughed off this kind of powdered, like film reduced to powder almost. And so I think that gave enough, what's the word, texture, that I could then put down a line of crazy glue along the top here. But that initial bead was kind of tough to get it to bond because it would slip around. So I did manage to eventually hold it in a single place long enough for it to bond. And then once it did that, I left it for a while, let it cure a bit. Then I pried up the bottom edge and put more continuous beads until I got all the way down to the bottom. And then there were some places on the edges that needed filling in with crazy glue. And now this panel seems to be fairly well bonded to the Cerakote finish. And I'm able to slap on this card and tear it off without the backing coming off. Now the thing is, with the tension on the webbing, after you load the shotgun shells in, it kind of tends to curve outwards, so it's not laying perfectly flat against the backing, as you can kind of see there. But then that also kind of makes it easier to tear off. So I think it'll stay on with movement of the shotgun, but then because the ends are kind of warped outwards, it'll be easier to tear off when I need to. So yeah, that's what I did, and it seems to have worked So if you've gotten one of these A300 Ultima Patrols and Multicam, and you didn't get your Velcro backing, this is what you can do. It takes a little bit more effort and ordering different items to get it to all come together, but it seems to work. There was something else I needed to say, but I forgot what it was. If I remember, I'll put it in the video description or in the comments. So just know that it's possible you can do it.